Ako tanang gusto mo, ibalos mo kapapayasan ko. Di mo kas mga pagpapala, panagang bigat na akong kumpayo mga luha. Kalisod ang nikang bibiyang buhat na ikalipay mo. Pasabi kong ganyan, maulit-ilat ko apang may panahon. Ng aking mga mata, wala'y luha. Ako kanang gusto mo, ibalos mo kapag iasal ko. Ipukaw-kas mga pagtanggal, pananggang tira na ang kulang mga luha. Wala'y luha alam kami mo.
Thank you. Very successful alumni. This certificate of achievement proudly presented to Captain Walter Friday T. Wrigley. Sir, congratulations, sir. Result of the citation by sorry, sir. This is in grateful recognition of your exemplary work and accomplishments in the field of aviation, which heavily involves electronics and communication engineering, and for your steadfast dedication to the betterment of society. Your diligence, perseverance, and commitment have had a profound impact, and we are honored to acknowledge your stellar achievements that bring distinction to your alma mater and your fellow alumni. Given this 25th day of October 2025 at the Kalayaan Hall Beach Hotel in Manila City, Philippines, signed by Teresita Seno, MPAPs, PECE, and Consolacion Mary Polio, the Vice President of the College of Technological Sciences, Cebu. Congratulations, sir. We're proud of you.
Picture. Go.
Is presented to Engineer Juanita Z. Saison. Assignment in grateful recognition of your invaluable support and infectious enthusiasm as a distinguished faculty and acknowledge your powerful impact as our esteemed former professor. Your vibrant presence played a pivotal part in creating a dynamic atmosphere of friendship, shared memories, and in reinforcing the robust connection that has endured through the years, thereby greatly contributing to the success of the CTS CTS Alumni Grand Reunion 2025 held at the Kalaya Big Hotel in Mandawi City, Cebu, given the 25th day of October 2025, signed by the coordinators. Thank you, ma'am.
Picture.
Likewise, the same certificate is given. Likewise, the same certificate and same essence of message is given to Engineer Ruby R. Magno. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, from the coordinator. Also, one is given for Mr. Engineer Raul Concepcion.
Sir. Among mga pag-iisa niyo mga
Ayaw sa po pangulina, pasensya lang. Also, one is given for Engineer Aquilia G. Bomonet. Ma'am Laura, thank you for your spherical geometry. Alumni Grand Reunion 2025 with our greatest appreciation. May we call on Attorney Aaron Lilia to present this. Ano yun? To be assisted by Engineer Teresa Taceto. It is with our greatest appreciation. This is by Batch 2019 and Batch 2021. Hereby honor Consolacion B. Ripolio for her inspiring message, for empowering us with her insights, and for her unwavering commitment to education and leadership given this 25th day of October 2025 at Mandawi City, Cebu City, Philippines. This is signed by the coordinators as well as the advisors to be assisted by Ma'am Sandro. For Ma'am.
Picture. Ana.
The batch 89 and 90 and 91 will also give honor to Engineer Teresa Tadese in grateful recognition of sincere appreciation of her immeasurable support, unwavering guidance, and exemplary mentorship as host advisor, which has significantly contributed to the success of this CTS BSEC Alumni Grand Reunion 2025 at Kalaya Hall, Big Hotel, Mandawi City, Cebu, given this 25th day of October 2025. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you, Ma'am Seno. Without you, we don't have to is from Attorney Aaron Lee Young, the President of the College of Technological Sciences. Attorney, may we have some words from you?
Mike.
It's an honor to be here present among the public. I've been with CTS for barely a year. I started last June. It's my first time in for the past 20 years professional experience I've been in corporate. So when Attorney Go knew that I was out of wages, when he asked me to be in charge of CPS, I could not refuse money. After telling me how he started CPS with Engineer Victoria, salamatan din ko nga today because with your team karon nga journey through time, CTS would not be what CTS is not. CTS would not be what CTS is now if not for the foundation that you guys have laid down. You started it all. Ang inyong, you built a legacy for CTS already. So, sa ako ron being the president of CTS, I also, I would like to look back in the past so that I can lead CTS into the future. Wala na siguro ng ECE karon sa CTS, we have what we have karon is BS in Automotive Technology, BS in Information Technology, BS in Industrial Technology, majors in Refrigeration, Electrical, and Electronics. Maybe you have your mga apo na siguro. So maybe you can invite them to study in CTS, family and friends. I look forward to the day na kaning na reunion with CTS, Cebu Technical School, and with the University College of Technological Sciences will be a yearly event. Meeting na ang mag-ila-ila ang kaniadto ang karon. So I'll keep in touch with Engineer Seno and the rest. I want this to be a yearly event. So maraming salamat, and I hope you guys had a blast tonight. Okay, diba ko dagat kong istoryahan, you have a lot of memories and stories to tell and talk to with each other. Thank you.